Hello to all of my dear friends. I hope you're doing great. Welcome back to one more video from Mary. Today I'm back with one of the most popular movies, Hollywood movies, which is the style of Black Panther Wakanda Forever logo. Text effect. This version of Black Panther is so popular and beloved, and as usual we have tried to create the style of this movie with the most similarity, as you see right here and as your witness, and the result I think is turned out to be magnificent. So if you like to access this style, just refer to hyperx.net, get the VIP membership, download this file and follow me to the end of this video. So like all of our other products, this one also works on all the other languages. For instance, this is how it works on Japanese, and as you see how amazingly this style is applied to our text, and the result is brilliant like always. So we come back to our text. Guys, it's so easy to work with this product. To edit the main text, just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In the window right here, all you need to do is just double click on text layers and type your ideal text. We have cinematic right here, so the same with the second text, and done. Guys, notice that you can use any font you like. You're totally free, it's up to you, and also you can have a complete control on all the characters. For instance, some of our characters right here, I just connected a little to the one besides. Like right here, I'm just going to create a little gap from this section right here. One more time, we have T, which is connected. Just make a gap, and any other of the characters which you like, you can just make a little gap also in the one at the bottom right here and here. Excellent. So it's perfect. We just check out if it's right in the center, we close and click save. So we're back to our result right here. Honestly, it's impressing just to see how beautiful our text is converted into the style. I'm going to get on with the rest of the layers. We have the adjustments folder right here, which is the settings of the color balance and brightness, which you can just balance the colors and play around with the layers and get to some total new results which are going to impress you. So in the next layer we have our text right here, which you can just type your own ideal text just like this. The layers are completely separate and you're totally free. So we have the label group right here, which is inspired from the original Marvel Stars logo. You can just change the text. I think the label is a little larger. I'm just going to make it smaller a little so it fits my text. And here it's right in the center. Excellent. So we have the highlights folder right here, which is inspired from the original movie style, which are these blue highlights behind some of the characters, and on them, which you can just select them, change the place, and also if you don't want it, you can just switch off the whole group. We just place it here so it has the most similarity to the original style. So we have the sparkles group right here, which are these sparkles on our text. We have them on a few of our characters, just like the original logo, which you can just select the sparkles and place them wherever you want, just drag them, or you can just switch off the whole group. It's up to you. So in the next layer we have effects folder, Extrusion, which is the original 3D effect, which you can just keep it remaining or just switch it off. You're free. So finally we have the backlight folder, which is this adorable little light shining from the bottom right here, which you can just leave it remaining or just switch it off, or you can also change the color. You're free. And this was our today's Black Panther movie logo, Wakanda Forever. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like to just get and access the style and download it, or any other Hollywood movie text effect styles, or all other products, Chrome, 80s, Cartoon, Styles, Text Effects, and so many other interesting products. Just need to refer to iPix.net, get the VIP membership, and have a complete access to all of them. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, bye to your next video from Mary.